Today, Year 1, we are going to learn all about abstract art. I bet you're wondering, what is abstract art? Well, here you can see some examples of abstract art. One here, and one here. You may notice that the artists haven't painted pictures of people, animals, trees or other things. They have used lines, colours and shapes to create their piece of artwork. If we use colour, line and shape, we can create a piece of abstract art. In the abstract art that you have just looked at, you may have noticed that the artists use lots of colours in their work. Let's have a think about colours now. Here you can see 3 colours: red, yellow and blue. These are called primary colours. Primary colours cannot be made by mixing other colours. If we mix the primary colours, that's red, yellow and blue, then we can make secondary colours. So if you have a little look at this picture here, you can see that if we mix yellow and blue, we can make green. If we mix red and blue, we can make purple. And if we mix red and yellow, we can make orange. Here you can see the 3 secondary colours. We have green, orange and purple. There are also another group of colours, Year 1, called tertiary colours. Tertiary colours are combinations of primary and secondary colours mixed together. On this colour wheel over here, the tertiary colour is always in between the primary colour and the secondary colour. So you may notice that some of the colours on the colour wheel have little white dots on them. The colours with the little white dots on them are the tertiary colours, because those are the colours that we find in between the primary colours and the secondary colours. Right, Year 1, the challenges for today. Have a look at the links that I've attached to Google Classroom to find a piece of abstract art that you really like. Listen to the story, The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. Then you could have a go at making your own paints if you like and practice making different colours. Or if you prefer and you have some ready-made paints and want to practice colour mixing, that would be great too. If you would like to make your own paint, here is a recipe you may want to try out. You need 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1 cup of warm water and some food colouring. First, you need to mix together the flour and warm water until the mixture is very smooth. Then you need to divide this mixture into little containers. Then you need to add a small amount of food colouring and mix it all together, and then you can get painting. Have fun with the activities, Year 1.